Hi everyone, my name is Woo Kim and I'm from Korea. This workshop means a lot to me. It has been a good opportunity to network with other people worldwide, and I feel many enthusiasm of others from Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, and also the professionals in Japan. And having opportunity to come over to the Neutron Research Center and going to Kansai Center will be a really good opportunity for us. And thank you IAEA and Okayama and OPMU for organizing all this work. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Dina and I am from Indonesia. Currently I am a doctoral student in Tokyo Institute of Technology, and I am an organic synthesis chemist, and then I hope through this training workshop in BNCT, I hope we can develop more and study more about the boron delivery compound that can go beyond the BPA right now, and then I hope I can contribute in the future. Please come in if there is another BNCT training and workshop in the future.
Hello, I'm Dian Shu from New Boron Medical Group in China, and I'm a BNCT researcher focusing on neutron beam design. And I'm very happy I can participate in this workshop. It's a very nice and wonderful workshop. During this workshop, we can get the latest information, progress information of BNCT, and we also have an opportunity to learn the BNCT clinical practice. That's very amazing. And we also can make a lot of friends from all over the world. This can deepen the connection between BNCT researchers. And thanks for organizing this very amazing workshop. I hope there will be more similar activities in the future. Thank you.
Hey, hi, I'm Saraswat. Namaste, konnichiwa. Hi, I'm Saraswat from India. Now I am working in Nagasaki University, Japan as a doctoral course. Now I am in second year in doctoral course, and my research topic is biological and bioinformatics on BNCT, Boron Neutron Capture Therapy. And I came to this IAEA workshop that I am enjoying too much from the day one, and I got new friends here, and of course I got so much knowledge about BNCT that I didn't know before that. So I am happy to meet new people, to explore more, and I saw today the garden, we all were together, I enjoyed a lot, and I know the people more. So it's pretty good, the experience for me, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Bye bye.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Jack from Thailand and I'm studying in Japan right now. I'm studying in the Kyoto University, studying for the BNCT for PhD first year. And now I'm joining the workshop advanced in-on Boron Capture Therapy in Okayama, Japan. And I'm really enjoying the workshop. Now we are having a break and everyone is trying to relax before the next session of the workshop going. And I'm really so happy to join this workshop. This workshop gives me many field of study, for example physics, chemistry, biology. And now we are going to speak about we are going to listen to the lecture on the market forecasting of BNCT, very interesting. And yeah, we have 3 days left to go for this workshop. Okay, I have to say goodbye to you. Thank you very much.